Hi, Charlotte.
Hi,
Hello!
how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
You look amazing. About 5 minutes before this, I suddenly realised, I'm about to go live on Instagram with a supermodel. That really not a very sensible idea. So you were a model, then you went on to be a facialist sort of behind the scenes on shoots and fashion shows.
Yeah.
And now you offer facials, don't you? So you do treatments in Hastings, but also in London.
Hastings Old Town at the Old Rectory and skin work in Soho.
You are known for your facial massage, and why I'm particularly excited to have you here tonight is I'm genuinely interested to learn it myself, because my own facial massage technique is a little bit delicate. I tend to go a little bit carefully and not pull and stretch the skin. And actually, you have quite a different approach, and that's why I thought it would be really interesting. Other people might be really interested to learn it.
I like to get things moving. I like to get the lymphatic system activated, and I like to the lymphatic system doesn't have its own pump, unlike the circulatory system, and they travel along, simultaneously. And it's really interesting that, you have so many lymph nodes in your face and your neck, and they just get clogged.
What you need is either clean skin and a facial oil, or your favorite cleanser and a facial oil. You do need some kind of facial oil, because the reason we're all here is to learn Charlotte's amazing facial massage technique.
Let's go, shall we?
I know what I do with my Votary products, but I want to know what you do with them. Using the Jasmine oil, you can use any facial oil.
I like to start by patting it here and here.
These bottles, if anyone's got one of these at home, don't shake them, just hold them upside down and the drops fall out. So I'm going to do maybe 10 drops. Is that about
lovely? Yeah, that's how much I did. And this oil lends itself to kind of do some breath work. So it's really nice to inhale and then really blow it away. So what we're going to do is going to kind of clamp our fingers like this, and we're going to really, really start opening up the lymphatic system. So there we go. Okay. So it's kind of pumping and gliding. So you're kind of.
It feels. I can feel sort of like a little lump there. Like it feels sort of like there's a bit of resistance, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's just blockages. That's just, you just need to kind of work opening everything up. So that's what we're going to do, is just going to really, and then we're going to just work across the décolletage. The décolletage kind of gets forgotten about. So
are you being quite firm with your massage?
I'm being really firm, and I'm using the heel of my hands as well.
Okay. So you're sort of pushing that into the shoulder blade there?
Really pushing that into the shoulder, yeah.
Which, because obviously no one's getting massages now, or so anything you can do for yourself at home.
Oh, it feels so lovely.
So beneficial, particularly if you're hunched over a desk all day.
So then you're going to start crossing your hands. So you're going to cross your hands, but really kind of try and grab the back of your neck and just pull down.
So you mean when you sort of turn your head and you get that kind of like sinew?
Yeah.
So do you need to turn your head side to side in order to do this?
You can do. Yeah, it feels quite nice to do that, actually. And then you're pulling right down to the opposite lymph node.
Okay.
So doing that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get right behind the ear. So in fact, we've got lymph nodes here, but this is where it gets really, really stagnant.
Okay.
So this is where you kind of want to encourage it just to move along. And you can follow it right behind the jaw, and you can just do big circles kind of coming down. Pinching and gliding. So
thumb under the chin.
Thumb under the chin.
Yeah.
And we're going to really work along the jaw.
And have we got any lymphs under the jaw there, or?
Yeah, we've got loads in our neck.
Okay.
So we've got loads in our neck. So we're just working towards this one again. So we're always working outwards and upwards. We never drag or pull the skin down. So we're always working outwards. Okay. So this is stimulating collagen production.
Are you pushing right up to the top of the ear now?
Yeah, so I'm kind of like working in front of the ear as well, which is just kind of activating that lymph. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scissor your fingers, and you're going to scissor around the ear. So you're kind of getting that lymph, that stagnant lymph behind and in front of the ear. So you're kind of scissoring around the ear, which is a really, really nice one to do.
It feels amazing.
The lymph nodes are the gateways which filter the lymph. So you've got one here, and you've got 2 or 3 coming down here, and then you've got loads in your neck. So we're just really kind of like working our way up, but then we're going to drain at the end.
And how often would you suggest someone did this at home?
I do it every night.
Really? And how long do you spend?
5 5 to 10 minutes. But then you're just going to work across.
So again, you're being quite firm there, aren't you?
I am. I'm being quite firm, just because I just want to eradicate and address any stress or tension that you can feel in your muscles. If you think about what our muscles do on a day-to-day basis, arm up. So we're going to sculpt under the cheek. So we're really kind of getting underneath as far as you can under the cheek, and really, really sculpting. So you kind of want to make this is where you can't have long nails, unfortunately. But if you do have long nails, then you can use your gua sha. If you've got a gua sha or a jade roller or something like that.
Yep. Yeah, that's a really, really good idea.
But I'm just going to show, if you don't, then you can really kind of just get under the cheek there with the gua sha.
Someone's saying, glad I stretched before this.
I know, yeah. And then onto the other side. So you're kind of like sculpting with this one and gliding with this one. So you're kind of just right under the cheek. Blood flow is fantastic for just stimulating the skin and bringing fresh collagen and everything like that. Now we're going to just do so you're going to use the fingertips again.
Yep. So your thumbs are there, are they?
Yeah, I'm just going to like lever them into my kind of under my cheek.
Into your amazing supermodel cheekbones.
And then we're just going to do some really nice big rolls.
Will we feel different in the morning?
We'll feel amazing.
For someone that isn't used to this level of intensity for a massage, will we feel, you know how after exercise
you feel quite invigorated? Yeah, it's quite invigorating, and also because the scent of the oils as well, they're quite invigorating anyway. So you kind of feel rather lovely afterwards, softer, more relaxed. So there's loads and loads of benefits. Really, really is. So then we're going to go into the eyebrow pressure, which is this is the spot where we really hold onto so much stress and tension. This is where we do electronics, laptop, phones, everything. So I'm just going to ask you just to get your thumbs right into the corner of your eyebrow.
Okay.
And kind of sink your head into it.
So like push your head into your thumbs.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's quite intense.
It's really intense. And then you're going to just pinch along the eyebrows, which is really nice. Just pinch along. And just some temple rolls as well. Just really, really nice, just to kind of. And then some big muscle to muscle rolls. So this is the muscle that does everything. This is the muscle I was talking about earlier. If you just do a lot of massage here, just big rolls to some of these.
So how long should people spend doing this?
5-10 minutes.
Amber says you're a massage fairy. It's true.
Oh.
All right, Charlotte, thanks so much. Thanks for joining, everyone. Bye.